Okay guys, these are the felt lap vents that a roofer recommended to get. You can see how they work there. You slot them in between the membrane. You can see there's a bit of condensation here. This is the problem I've been having, and it was absolutely everywhere. Now, I think that's still there because I haven't wiped it away properly. I did run over a towel with everything, but you can see this was covered the same beads, and I wiped it down last week. I've added these vents. I can feel the airflow going. It's just so much better. And you can see how I've staggered these. So this is a semi-detached. I've bought some more to go on this side. And there's a section lower down. I probably had a few in there just to keep the airflow going. Yeah, it seems to have worked wonders. So if you're having condensation in the attic, it's normal to get it, but when it's like everywhere, that's not normal. You just get a bit of airflow and that solves your problem.